now that we know how to find the area of oblique triangles, those are triangles that don't have a right angle in them, we can actually use this to find all sorts of interesting shapes areas, like parallelograms. So I've drawn a parallelogram here. The word problem itself, you can read through this thing to see what's going on, but the important stuff is that I have a parallelogram with sides that are labeled right here. Okay, so I know the sides of this parallelogram, this triangle right here, and this triangle over here, and that's the key to this one. Since a parallelogram is just two triangles sort of smushed together, if you know the area of each triangle, you know the total area of the parallelogram. So I have a copy right here, and you can see what I've drawn. A equals A1 plus A2. We just need to figure out A1, the first area, and A2, the second area. So I'm going to do that using Heron's formula. S1 equals 1/2 of, I'm adding up the sides, 34 plus 33 plus 25. Okay, and I've already pre-calculated this to save a little bit of time in the video. That's going to be 46. And then the area 1 equals, now we bust out the huge square root thing. This is going to be 46 times 46 minus 33, 46 minus 34, and 46 minus 25. So that's the semi-perimeter, that's what 46 is, minus each of the sides. You times those all together, times it by 46, square root is this whole song and dance we have to go through. But what you should get when you finish this, and if you want to check to make sure you know what you're doing with calculators, you can punch this in, see if you get the same answer as me. You should get 388.1958, and the decimals keep going. Okay, great. In the same method, you're going to solve A2. Okay, same exact thing, except now we're doing this triangle right here. So your sides are 25, 25, 15. First calculate the semi-perimeter, then go for the area. In that case, you would get something like 178.8636. I think that's what my notes had written down. Okay, so now to figure out the total area, you just add those together. And that gave me 567.06. Here's the part where we have to make sure we know how to round. Okay, round to the nearest whole number. So of course you could just put in 567.06. That's right. But if you want to round it, go ahead. Just don't round it more than there. Okay, so don't round it to 570. Don't round it to 600. It is 567 feet. If you want to be specific, you can say 567.06.